A Chicago area nonprofit focused on health is also spreading holiday cheer to children overseas on another continent. You may remember we shared this with you last year, a Christmas party complete with food, gifts, and of course Santa, thousands of miles away for orphans in Zambia. It was hosted by the Prestige Wellness Foundation, an organization here founded by a group of Zambian Americans living in Chicago and working to improve the health care for people here and beyond. And joining us now are two of the founders who we're recognizing as this week's change makers, Wayne Malanga.
Yes, Malenga.
Malenga, I said it right. And Future Mpundu.
Mpundu.
And we got it. We got it. All right, tell us more about this Christmas party. We had you on last year virtually, so glad to have you in person. But all the way in Zambia, how do you pull this off and how did it get started?
Okay, so it all starts with the mission for the foundation. So our mission is our commitment to restoring and supporting the changing societal and healthcare needs of the underserved communities in Zambia. So sadly, that also includes orphans and underprivileged children. And with us, the co-founders, Maureen Shavers, Future Mpundu, and myself, having grown up in Zambia, we saw firsthand the struggles that these children undergo.
How old were you when you came to the States from Zambia?
I was 28.
I was 20.
Okay, so you were adults, but you know, we're talking 350 orphans?
Yes.
I mean, how does that happen?
Well, we were first connected to Ivonanji by a local organization in Zambia called AXIM. So our initial collaboration, we were supposed to offer free health screenings. So as we started working with the community school, we recognized that these children face far more challenges than their health screening. One other issue was nutrition, and we realized that these kids, for them, having 3 meals a stack it's just a stack
We're looking
reality.
at some of them right now, some of the images on the screen. Just getting them healthy food and the medicines and different health care they need to survive and thrive. And they don't have anything, right? So how do you raise the money? How do you collect the things you need to make this happen?
So we created a campaign, a fundraising campaign under DonorBox, and we used social media platforms, our website, and just sharing with friends and colleagues. And then so that's where we've been getting some donations from well-wishers.
And your goal was $4,000?
The goal was $4,000.
How far along are you to meeting that goal?
Halfway mark.
Okay, so we still have some time because it's coming up this week.
Yes, it's actually on Wednesday. That's Zambian time, like 11 o'clock in the morning, Zambian time, But it's actually this Wednesday, the 20th of December.
So people can still pitch in and help. How can they do that? How can they?
They can go to our website, www.Prestige Wellness Foundation. We have a link there to donate. That's mainly the way they can donate.
And this is just one of the initiatives that Prestige Wellness does. Talk about some of the other things you're involved with.
Okay.
Even here on this side of the...
Yes, so I'm glad that you brought that up because just last 2 weeks ago, we made a donation of 23,000 worth of medications to the Ghanaian community free clinic. So, and then we've partnered with them where every second Saturday of the month, we do free clinics where we have physicians, nurses, pharmacists. It's like a full clinic and it's free of charge. So people do not have to worry if they have insurance or they don't have insurance or things like that. Anybody is welcome.
Well, thank you so much for doing everything you're doing for the communities here as well as back in Zambia. And we hope that the Christmas party goes well year 2, and then we look forward to next year doing it again.
Absolutely.
Okay, Wayne, Future, thanks so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
More?